Hello everyone, this is Oguzhan. Welcome back to channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will be showing you how to implement exception handling in UiPath so that you will be able to manage your exceptions in your automations. Before jumping to UiPath Studio, we can start with exception handling definition. It basically means managing errors that might occur in your automation or program. When handling errors in general in automation or programming, we will be using try-catch blocks. First of all, let's create sample scenario, and after that we can add exception handling by using try-catch blocks. For the sample scenario, I will open browser and I will open google.com, and then I will type some text on search bar. And after that I will close the browser and try that again, and we will naturally get an error, and we will try to handle that error using exception handling. So first of all, I will be opening browser, open browser, then I will open the Edge browser because I am using Edge, google.com, and then I will make type into and let's choose the elements on the screen here, and let's type UiPath. Also let's add some hotkey. Okay, so basically we will be opening browser and type UiPath and press enter. Let's try that. We are opening the browser and type UiPath and send enter. Let's check it. Yeah. What if we cannot find this search area on the browser? Probably we will get an error because we won't be able to make those type into action on the page. So if we change this process like attach browser and then type into, let's get this one and open the browser. Let's indicate our browser here. Okay, so we will basically attach this browser and we will try to type UiPath, and after that we send enter. Okay, let's delete that one. Let's try this to see if it is working or not. So basically we completed the search using attach browser here. So what if we close that browser and try to run this flow? We will get an error. Let's see that one. Okay, we got an error here. No open Windows Phone for MS Edge, blah blah. Selector not found exception, as you can see here. To resolve this issue, we can simply add try catch here, and that way we can handle that error. Let's put it here and let's add exception. There are lots of exception type in UiPath, but in general we can use system.exception, and it will help us to handle this exception on the UiPath. So here I can just say log message and error occurred, message and exception dot message, so that actually we will be able to see what the message is given in exception with exception dot message. So let's try it now. Basically there is no browser here and we will get an error again, but we will handle that error in exception handling. So as you can see here, error occurred, message no open Windows Phone for MS Edge, blah blah blah. So let's make it much more beautiful. So we can add selector not found exception, and we can actually add the same thing here. Warning, that time selector not found exception message. If we implement this one and the program or our process couldn't find the selector, it will directly hit here and show us this error message. And let's try this one also. As you can see here, selector not found, no open windows found for MS Edge here. So basically we have implemented those two exceptions here regarding these type into operation. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for listening and watching, and see you in next one. Bye for now.